This video will explain what the radon test is, where to place it, and how to return it to the testing laboratory. The test kit package contains an information sheet, a plastic return envelope, and the radon tester. The radon tester is a plastic rectangle with a paper top. It's wrapped in plastic. Don't take it out of the plastic until you want to start the test. Do not remove the paper on top of the test or the sticker on the back of the test. Put your return address on the plastic envelope. Look at the information sheet and fill it out completely, including how you want to receive the test result. The test serial number is on the back of the tester. Make sure to write all the letters and numbers on the information sheet and on the envelope. To get started, figure out where you want to place the test. The best place to put your test is in the lowest level of your home that is lived in at least 4 hours per day. It may be a finished basement with a family room, a playroom, an office, or a bedroom. If you only go into your basement for short periods of time to change laundry or something like that, then the basement would not be the best place to place the test. For best results, the test kit should be far away from walls, ceilings, and other large objects that would prevent good airflow around it. It should be at least 3 feet from the floor, near the height of normal breathing range. It should be at least 16 inches or 40 centimeters from inside walls and at least 20 inches or 50 centimeters from outside walls and the ceiling. Do not place the test on the floor, in a closet or a cupboard, in drafty areas, near electrical appliances, in the kitchen or bathroom, near heat sources such as stoves or fireplaces, in a laundry room or furnace room, or directly next to anything that would prevent a good airflow around the test. Once you have chosen where to place the test, remove it from the plastic bag. Write down when you start the test on the information sheet provided. Do not remove the sticker and do not break or open the paper housing or the results will be invalid. Keep the paper side up. Keep the information sheet somewhere nearby. You will need it again when it's time to return the test. Now that the test is active, it must remain untouched in the same place for at least 48 hours, but no more than 96 hours. If you leave it out too long, the results will not be valid. When it's time to stop the test, write down the time and the day on the information sheet. Make sure to put the completed information sheet in the envelope first. Remove it from its testing spot and seal it in the plastic mailing envelope. It's important to mail the test as soon as possible. You will receive the test results in the mail in about 1 month, or by email within 2 weeks. You can also check the results online on the website that is provided with the instructions.